In primetime news this evening, hot on their heels, the police report success in the fight against lottery scamming. Man receives life after pleading guilty to illegal possession of firearm. And the Trenchtown tense following deadly shooting.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. We also have the financial week later in this newscast.
But Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports, and there's a hot story everyone's been talking about all day.
Yeah.
Yes, Archie, we do have an update on the Jamaican athlete Olympian who tested positive, whose A sample tested positive for a banned substance. Of course, we'll give you that update in a Primetime Sports Friday.
And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the life sentence handed down to a man for illegal possession of a firearm?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and also on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.